Soyez le bienvenue! Mabuhay po tayo dyan. And welcome back po with Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes. Now, let's learn French the cozy way. Today's verb is rester. Rester. It's not rester. Huh? Rester means to stay or to remain. Okay? This is another verb. Okay? So, example. Nous restons à la maison le week-end. Nous restons à la maison le week-end. We stay at home during weekend. Okay. This verb is very simple, very useful, and perfect for every situations. So, are you ready? Let's go. Tara na! On y va to conjugate the verb rester au présent with me, of course. Rester, rester. To stay or to remain. Okay? Rester means to stay or to remain. Stay ka lang dyan. Okay? Conjugaison au présent de verbe rester. Okay? How do we conjugate the verb rester? So it's still OR, so we just remove OR, then we change with OS, EOSE, ONS, OZ, ONT. Okay? Example. Je reste, I stay. Tu restes? Oui, you stay. Il reste? Yeah, he stays. Elle reste? She stays. On reste? We stay. Nous restons? We stay. Vous restez? Bah oui, on reste. Okay, vous restez is you, no? Okay, you stay. And then, il reste? Il reste, they stay, na masculin. And elle reste, that is they na féminin, okay? Pambabae lang. Exemple, une phrase complète, un complete sentence. Nous restons à la maison pendant le week-end pour nous reposer. Nous restons à la maison pendant le week-end pour nous reposer. So we stay at home during the weekend to rest. So reposer. Reposer is to rest. Okay, let's repeat everyone. So, je reste, il reste, elle reste, on reste, nous restons, vous restez, il reste et elle reste. Is it clear? Okay, bravo! Merci beaucoup for votre participation. Thank you very much for your participation. And keep on, continuez à pratiquer. Keep on practicing, everyone, to master or perfect your French. Okay? And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment po for more videos. Ciao, ciao, everyone. Au revoir. Or à plus. À plus is à plus tard. Okay? See you later. Or à demain. À demain peut-être. Ciao, ciao.